the same old story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause the store won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Let it go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in. Days
Good morning, mga ka-adventures! Welcome back to our channel. And for today, we have another family camping adventure, and we're going to
Buhay Resort in Magallanes, Cavite.
So together with Mami Z,
Hello!
Keke, hi Ke, and hi
Say hi. Hello po.
So we'll travel almost 4 hours from Mabalacat going to Buhay Resort. This will be our second time na magka-camping kami in Cavite. Yung first namin is yung Christmas, nung nag-camping kami sa Tagaytay. So please stay tuned for today's family camping adventure. Bye-bye!
Bye.
Okay, good morning mga ka-adventure. Time check, 9:50. At papasok lang natin ng NLEX. So, almost 4 hours yung drive from Mabalacat going to Magallanes, Cavite. So, medyo late na tayo umalis ngayon kasi 2 p.m. pa naman yung check-in dun sa Buhay Resort. So, this will be our second time na magka-camping in Cavite. So, this will be a 2-day camping, pero we'll hop on another campsite on our second day. So stay tuned for that campsite. So we'll travel for now. Thank you for supporting our channel. 755 subscribers. So thank you. Please continuously support our channel. Please do watch, like, comment, share, and subscribe sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe. And please do enjoy this video. Okay, good morning mga ka-adventure. Time check, 11 a.m. At kapapasok nga lang namin ng Skyway. So from here, 2 hours and 30 minutes pa papuntang campsite. So we'll travel for now and we'll update you from time to time. Okay, good afternoon mga ka-adventure. Time check, 12:15 p.m. At kapapasok lang natin ng Cavite Lex. So, Cavitex pala. So, Cavite Expressway. So, from here, 2 hours pa, papuntang campsite. So, okay, sa Cavitex na po tayo mga ka-adventure. 12:30 na. Medyo late tayo makakadating. Kamali tayo ng pinasukan at binabasak kanina. Kaya umikot tayo. So, makikita nyo dito sa right side, ito yung Manila Bay.
In 3 kilometers, take the exit toward EPZA.
Okay, time check. 1 o'clock. Nandito na kami sa Tanza, Cavite. So, na-traffic kami dito sa Tanza. So, more or less 1 hour and 30 minutes pa papuntang campsite. So, gutom na kami, pero mamaya na kami magla-lunch pagdating sa campsite. So, travel muna kami.
I'm a shy deer in the headlights. She's coming over and I'm just standing there like it's like a riptide on the inside. Keep it together, man, you could drown in those blue eyes. She said, hey you, isn't it funny how we always seem to meet at every place in town? Yeah, I must be lucky. I reply, you can take me high. Maybe I just wanna see ya. I go anywhere, live to be there. Feels like I can fly. Think I'm gonna break the ceiling. I just wanna keep this feeling. You can take me. Baby, you can take me. It's a small world in a big town. What are the odds I get to talk to you right now? Yeah. Give me bad lines, give me butterflies, give me anything, 'cause I'm down for you right now. Yeah. I said, hey you, if I'm being honest, I've been stalking you a bit, hoping you'd see me, and maybe you wanted to give this one try and take me high. Maybe I just wanna see ya. I go anywhere, live to be there. It feels like I can fly. Think I'm gonna break the ceiling. I just wanna keep this feeling. 'Cause you can't take me. Yeah. You can't take me.
Okay, we're here. Okay, we're here. Nice. Ang ganda. Okay, good afternoon mga ka-adventure. Time check. 2:30 na nakadating kami sa campsite. So, welcome to Buhay Resort here in Magallanes, Cavite. So, kami pa lang yung dumating na campers. So, eto yung campsite. Ang ganda, mabuko. Maraming buko. Ayan. At dito tayo mag-set up ng ating tent. Doon lang yung CR. Mamaya natin iikutin yung campsite. Mag-set up at magbababa muna tayo ng mga gamit. Good afternoon mga ka-adventure. Time check. 5:10 nang natapos kaming mag-setup at mag-late lunch. At nandito nga kami sa Buhay Resort here in Magallanes, Cavite. So, katapos lang namin mag-setup at ito yung setup namin for today. Ayan. So, ito yung setup namin. So, we have our dining. Yan, we bought a new chair, yung Moby Garden na long chair at saka yung moon chair. Ayan, para kay Keke. And we have our kitchen here. Ayan. And then this is our setup for today sa loob. Yan. So this is our bedroom. Kami lang tatlo nila mamit ni Keke. And today is January 30, Friday. So, ito yung setup namin for today. Ayan. So, ito yung bedroom namin. Ayan. Okay, and this is our kitchen and dining. Okay, of course, we have our banner. Obrar Adventure. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the bell button para updated kayo on our camping adventure. So, ikutin muna natin yung campsite. So, ito nga yung entrance ng Buhay Resort. Ayan. So, may makikita ka ditong banner or gated yung campsite o yung resort. Ayan. Buhay Resort. Dito, ito yung kanilang contact number. So, follow them on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube at Buhay Resort. Number is 0998-162-2748, 0977-081-0554. So, this is a campground, event venue, and glamping. Okay, so, ito yung campsite. So, pagpasok mo, gated. Yan. So, ito kagad yung bubuhang sa'yo. So, dito yung campground. Ito yung campground. Mamaya puntahan natin yung campground. So, ito yung reception area. At nandito din yung sticker ng mga vlogger. So, ayan. So, ito yung mga sticker ng mga nagpunta na dito. So, Daddy Ali pumunta na dito. Sila may mga kakilala natin. Camp and Chill. Yan. Camping Diaries. Pumunta na rin dito. And, of course, Wildscape and Campy. Sila Sir Aman. 24 Libra Adventure. Pumunta na rin dito. Maarte Campers. Yapak sa Yaman. Ayan. Just Us. So, syempre, Just Us Camping Diary at saka Camping Chill magkakasama yan. Alright, so, yung mga friends at kakilala natin. Meron ding iba dito. So, ito yung mga stickers nila. So, please follow them on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So, ito yung sa atin. Obrar Adventure. So, pag pumunta kayo dito, ito yung Vloggers Corner nila. So, saan ka pwedeng iwan ng stickers mo. So, punta muna natin yung iba-ibang section ng resort at ng campground. So, ito yung Buhay Resort, the Pavilion. So, pwede kang mag-rent dito. Gusto mo celebrate mga parties, baptism, wedding. So, ito yung pavilion kung saan pwede mong i-rent. Ayan. The Pavilion. Okay, so eto naman yung CR. Maganda yung CR nila dito. First class yung CR at yung wash area nila. Ayan. Ito yung for the girls. So, syempre, hindi tayo pwede dito. May mga saksakan kung saan pwede ka magsaksak ng gadget only. Gadget charging station. So may mga saksakan saan pwede kang magsaksak ng gadget charging station. So malakas naman yung water. Ayan. Tingnan natin yung sa gents or sa male. So ito yung ilaw. Ayan. May mga sleepers. So merong 3 cubicle for dito. And merong 1, 2, 3. Tatlong CR. Yan. May bidet. Yan. Malakas naman yung water. Of course. Yan. At ito yung shower area. So, tatlo din. 1, 2. So, may tabo. At pwede din yung shower. Ay, hindi pwede. Pwede. Pwede yung shower. So, pwede yung shower. So, 1, 2, 3. So, ito yung shower area. Okay. At ito yung 3 toilet bowl. Yan. At mayroong 3 urinal bowl for male. At may salamin din dito. Okay. So that's the CR for boys. Dito yung wash area sa likod. Yan. Ito yung wash area nila. Yan. Malakas naman yung water. At meron din provision ng lutuan din dito. Ayan. Ayan. Malakas yung water. Ayan. Tapos meron tables and chairs dito. Ayan. Tapos meron mga kubo na pinaparent nila. So hindi natin alam yung rate. You can inquire na lang from their website or doon sa phone number kanina na nakapost. So, ito yung mga kubo nila. Ayan, kubo. May fire pit or bonfire area dito. Ayan, may kubo. Ayan. Ito din. So, ito malalaki naman. Tanungin natin magkano yung rent ng mga kubo. Ayan. Okay, so ito naman yung sa campground. Ayan. So kailangan mo muna register dun sa registration area. So dito nagbenta sila ng mga fresh buko. 30 pesos yung buko. Ito yung setup natin for today. Ayan. So linagay natin yung fly sheet para if in case umulan or maaraw. Ayan. At may iba-ibang campers nga dito. I think may 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 campers. Ayan, so may isang campers meron doon. Ayan. Tapos maganda rin dito is merong playground for the kids. Ayan. So may hammock. Ayan. May bonfire doon. May river nga dito. Bukas tayo natin puntahan kasi it's already 5:30. So hindi na natin mapupuntahan yung river. Ito yung mga playground. May swing. May slide. Ayan. Ayan. May seesaw. Ayan. Tapos may wall climbing and may rope climbing din. So ito yung swing. So ito yung playground ng mga kids. Presko dito, maraming buko. Ayan, sobrang ganda. Ito yung ibang campers. Ayan. Malaking campground. siguro it can accommodate more than 50 tents. Ayan. So, meron din silang volleyball area dito. Ito. Ayan. So, meron din dun football net area. Ayan. So, hanggang doon yung sa campsite. Ayan. Hi vlog. Welcome to what's your name? My name is How old are you? How old is Keke? I am 2 years old.
Shoutout ka na, dali.
Shoutout ka na. Shoutout to say hi Kayeng Adventure. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, please. Say hi.
Hi.
Kayeng Adventure.
I'm Victor. Hi mo si Lucky.
Hi.
Hi, Lucky.
Hi Lucky.
Hi, Lucky.
Hi.
Lucky.
Hi Tita Misa.
Hi, Jimisa.
Hi Ate Kuan.
Ate Tuan.
Oh, hi Nabi.
Hi, Mommy.
Hello.
Hello. Hello mo si Sir Joel.
Hi Sir Joel.
Hi, Joel.
Hi Ma'am Jo.
Mama Jo.
Hello. Say
Hello,
hi Kampli. Say hi Sir Aman.
Hi, Sir Arman.
Hi Terdy.
Hi, today.
Hi Ma'am Rose.
Hi mo si Harit.
Hi Harriet.
Hi, Ari.
How are you?
How are you? See you next time. Next time.
It's the same old story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause this door won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Let it go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you
Evening mga ka-adventures. Welcome back to our channel. And for tonight, nandito nga kami sa Buhay Resort in Magallanes, Cavite. So, this is our second time na mag-camp here in Cavite. First namin yung sa Tagaytay. So, second to and then third tomorrow will be a different campsite. So, first,
natin sa Cavite to.
temporary. So, maganda yung campsite. Sobrang well-maintained. Maganda yung mga buko. Diba? Yung puno.
May shades siya.
Maluwang.
So kahit na mainit.
Maganda yung grass. So, first ma'am, come muna. What can you say about the campsite in your experience?
Ako dito maganda. May river siya. Papunta dun sa baba. Tapos,
Bukas sa amin net.
yung way papunta dito, from sa amin, sa Pampanga, papunta dito sa campsite. Maganda
daan.
naman yung daan. Wala namang rough road. Kayang-kaya ng mga sedan, motorcycles, yung mga hatch, yung mga maliliit, compact car, yan. Wala naman magiging problema going here pag galing sa mga malalayong lugar talaga kasi maganda yung daan
Hindi naman
papunta dito.
mataas.
Hindi mataas, oo. And then, pagpasok mo, gated siya actually. Tapos, ang maganda rito, may mga nagbabantay and accommodating yung mga nagbabantay sa gate pa lang sasalubungin ka na nila. Tapos, yung i-check ka nila, they make sure na ma-settle kayo ng maayos, ganyan. Yung CR, sobrang linis.
Sobrang ganda.
Sobrang ganda.
Parang first class yung CR. Yung CR
Oo,
niya.
maganda. Maganda yung CR nila. Pang maarte. Kasi nakahiwalay yung toilet, nakahiwalay yung bath, nakahiwalay din yung wash area. So, yung wash area ng pangkamay,
Pang toothbrush.
pang toothbrush, yan
wash.
nakahiwalay. And then yung wash area ng mga utensils, yan nakahiwalay lahat. Yan, may mga section siya. So, organized yung pagkaka-design, setup ng mga facility dito sa camp. Tapos, yung campground, malaki siya. May mga playground, kid-friendly, animal-friendly.
Family-friendly.
Oo. And then, may libreng bonfire.
Every 8 p.m.
Ayun, libre lang yun. Di ba mga ibang campsite may bayad yun, additional bayad. Pero dito, in fairness, libre siya.
For all yan.
Oo. So, pwede kayong maglagay ng chair doon. Tapos, around the bonfire, kung gusto nyo mag-malos, mag-toast na malos. Ganun. Pero, excuse me, hindi na namin ginawa kasi tulog na si Keko. Tapos, maraming mga hammock. Kung may mga kasamang mga bata, mag-enjoy yung mga bata dito. Napakalawak ng gagalawan. Dumating kami around 2 p.m. na, no?
2:30.
2:30, ganyan. Yung panahon, siguro dahil amihan season pa, no? Malamig. Mainit na malamig. Alam mo yun?
Mainit pagdating namin, tapos medyo...
Pero mahangin. Hindi siya yung mainit
Hindi
na
siya
malinsangan. Mainit siya, pero mahangin.
Mataas din to. Ito yata, mataas din to na place ng Cavite.
Hindi ko lang sure kung summertime if same pa din. Kasi around this time, medyo malamig talaga Malamig.
January 30, Friday.
Oo. Medyo malamig pa dito. So yun nga, kami nagpatay ng electric fan. Actually, mga around 4 p.m, nagpatay na ako ng electric fan kasi mahangin. Presko yung pakiramdam. Not sure lang talaga kung sa summertime. Yung mga nakatry na dito ng summer, let us know kung ano experience ninyo. Para sa mga nagbabalak na pumunta dito ng summertime, ma-share ninyo kung mainit ba during summertime. At saka ano pala, no, may kuryente. May palibreng charging.
You can charge your phone.
Oo, doon sa
may mga
port.
Saksakan.
May mga outlet.
Where you can charge your phone, your tablet.
Pero bawal lang yata yung mga power banks.
mga rice cooker,
power bank.
Power bank okay lang, pero yung power supply, hindi.
Tapos, ano ba? Nag-enjoy si Keke actually sa paglalaro ng swimming. Nakalala siyang bata. Mga bata doon. Yun.
Bukas try namin explore yung river.
Yung river. At saka, napansin mo yung banda doon. May parang first time ko nakakita ng ganito sa campsite. May praying area.
May cross.
First time kong nakakita sa campsite niyan. Sa lahat ng campsites na napuntahan natin ng mula Region 3 at saka ito sa Calabarzon. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng campsite na may praying area. In fairness. Tapos katabi nun is yung pababa papunta dun sa river. Actually, mababa pa siya, malalim pa siya. May hagdan naman na semento going to the river. Hindi lang namin pinunta ni Keke pa. Hindi kami bumaba, sinilip lang namin. Kasi medyo matarik yung 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 hagdan niya. Nakatakot to. So, doon kami dalawa ni Keke, hindi na namin binaba. Yan lang naman.
So, maganda yung campsite.
Baka nagtitinda sila ng buko.
Nagtitinda sila ng
Mga nagtitinda. Kasi marami.
Malayo nga lang siya sa kanto. No? Medyo may pagkalayuan siya sa kanto. Kaya, hindi ko alam kung may malapit na store dito. Wala akong napansin. Pero you can also rent this place kung may mga event kasi meron silang pavilion dun sa part mo. So yun lang. These are
marami siyang maraming Instagrammable
Instagrammable na spot. So sabi nga ni Ma'am kanina nakita ko, doon may cross doon sa part na pwede kang mag-pray, mag soul searching dito, maganda. Ano pa ba? So, yung river bukas natin na-explore. So, yung campsite nga maluwang. It can accommodate mga 50 groups of campers. May malaki yung
Depende
campsite.
siguro sa tent.
Sa tent, oo.
Pero kung mga maliliit na tent lang, marami din naman. Kasi dalawa siya, halos parang dalawang campsite siya dito tsaka doon sa taas.
For inquiries, you can visit Buhay Resort in Facebook. Dun sa mga rates at saka other na ino-offer.
Ano ba kailangan ba magpa...
Oh, you have to book in advance. Kailangan mo magpa-reserve.
Pa-reserve.
So pag piniyem mo sila sa Facebook, you have to may pipirma kang waiver or consent tapos send mo dun yung reservation fee mo. You cannot just walk in. I'm not sure kung tumatanggap sila ng walk-in pero better to reserve in advance para iwas abala.
Pero highly recommended to sa mga sa mga kako-campers namin dyan na mahilig talaga dun sa mga ganitong places. Kasi yung vibe niya tahimik at saka ang kagandahan dito may mga rules sila na may napaka-strict nila sa quiet.
Quiet time is
quiet
11 p.m. to 6 a.m. So maganda wala kang narinig na nagbibidyoke so far dito.
So di namin alam na kasi Friday ngayon. Pero kahit Friday marami nang
Nagka-camp. Para ngayon Friday more than mga 6 yata or 7.
So di
Spread
namin
out
alam.
naman.
Tomorrow kasi will be
Going to another campsite.
Yeah, lilipat kami ng ibang campsite. So, di namin alam kung ano ang siste dito kapag weekend. Kung ganun pa rin ba.
Pero
hopefully tahimik.
Instagrammable. Pwedeng prenup dito. Maganda yung...
At saka pala, nabasa ko dun sa rules nila dun. Kasi may mga rules sila na nakapaskil. And sa mga dito lang sa tabi-tabi, makikita ninyo. Na kapag pala, parang nagsashut na sila ng gate, hindi na sila nag-a-accept ng papasok. May time na hindi na sila nagpapapasok ng
Kasi nga secured tsaka gated yung place. Yun yung kaganda.
yun na.
Happy birthday muna kay Mama Baby. Kay Auntie Baby.
Mama Baby.
Happy birthday, Mama Baby sa Bisaya. Today's January 30 kasi Friday
At
birthday
today's
niya.
birthday niya. Hello po.
So
happy
shout out
birthday.
to Sikat Squad, yung mga nakasama naming fellow campers sa Angeles campsite last January 15, 14 to 16, no?
Hindi ko
Tama.
alam, hindi ko matandaan.
Basta last 2 weeks. Last 2 weeks ago.
Excuse me.
Kaya Adventure, Ma'am Karen Seryeng, Wondering Misa Indian,
Ma'am Joanne, Lady Campers.
Lady Campers, Ma'am Joanne, and then
Beyond the Tent.
Marty Campers, Beyond the Tent, Sir
Sir
Joel,
Joel, hello po.
Jaisel, Sir Alan, and family.
Red TV.
Red Trip TV,
Trip
Sir Red.
TV. Kuya Jerk.
And Kuya Jerks,
CJ.
CJ, gala ni CJ,
Yung is this-
Teen Ventures,
si Chef Rafi ba yun?
Chef Rai.
Chef Rafi. Rafi.
Tsaka si
Lakaw.
Sir Aman.
Lakaw.
Yung
Campli.
developer ng Campli and
Lakaw tayo.
Wildscape. Lakaw tayo sila JP.
Harit. Hello,
and
Harit. See you soon.
May nakalimutan ba tayo doon?
Sino
Sino
ba?
Sir Densyo as well. At Kabudang as well. Si Salamambro, kung saan tayo nag-order no? May mga special shout out lang kami. Camp Together, syempre. Where's my phone? So, syempre, special shout out
Sa mga buyer ko, sa mga nakadeal ko, na buyers ko na bumili ng mga, mga pre-loved, pre-loved camping essentials namin. Thank you so much sa pag-purchase ng aming mga old camping essentials.
Shout out to
Na nakasama namin for almost, actually magwa 1 year ngayong March, no, nung we started camping. Yun. So, yun nga, na-realize ko, no, na ang laki na pala ng pinagbago mula nung nag-start kami nag-camp until ngayon.
malaki na yung evolution.
So, yun. Thank you so much sa mga bumili and abangan ninyo yung mga susunod ko pang ibibenta. Mala nyo itong earthnet na ito, ibenta ko na din.
Shout out yun, Kabudang, Camp Together TV. Thank you dun sa Ref Magnet. Gusto namin yan. One episode kay Wancho na bumisita. Beyond the Tent, Sir Joel, ang lapit lang niya dito. Diba, sa akin.
Sayang na Sir
Hindi namin
Joel, sana
Sir Dencio,
naka-
Boss Rai Adventure yan. And sino pa? 10 Ventures,
gala ni CJ.
JSSL Outdoor Adventure kay Sir Alan. Shout out to Faye, Omer, and Emery from Bulacan. Ang laging naka-subscribe at nanonood sa YouTube namin. So,
And thank you sa 755
55 followers
yung
on
followers sa aming
YouTube
YouTube channel.
channel.
Yay,
And
konti na lang.
5,300 on our Facebook
channel.
follower and supporter. So thank
Maraming
you
salamat.
very much for supporting our channel.
At saka sa laging yung mga iba na nanonood, yung mga nanonood ng mga videos namin na actually nagme-message pa talaga na pinanonood po namin kayo, ganyan. Kasi nakakakuha sila ng mga tips and yung mga places na pinupuntahan namin. Maraming salamat. Alam niyo yung mga ganong mga messages, nakakataba ng puso na may mga ganun nyo sila na-appreciate yung ginagawa namin kasi parang ginagawa namin to for keke and yun nga para makapag-relax and hindi namin na-realize na somehow it brings joy and inspire other people. Yun.
For tonight, it's na oras ba? It's 9:45, so we're about to sleep na. Good night. Tulad
Good
ni Keke,
night.
hindi siya makapag-shoutout.
Oo.
So,
Pero kaya
kanina
nag-shoutout siya. Ayan.
Kasi napagod.
So our next camping,
Tomorrow will be on a different campsite here in Cavite pa din. We're going to Bukid Pamana tomorrow. So please stay tuned for that. But tomorrow, explore namin yung river. Dito sa...
pero hindi na kami sasama ni Keke kasi matarik yung river ko na lang.
Yes. Okay, that's it for now mga ka-adventure. Good night and thank you for supporting our channel. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning,
Good morning
Keke.
mga ka-adventures.
Good morning.
Happy anniversary!
Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss.
Shoutout ka? Shout.
Ate, I miss you. Ate Zai Zai. Where's Ate Zai Zai?
No.
Go home. Home. I miss you. Now blow a kiss. Ate Zai Zai. Slide. Not nice slide. Come on, let's go there. Careful. Hold on.
With your hand on your heart, please tell me
Wait for me.
which way
Wait for that.
you'll go. 'Cause I sure don't know. One piece in hand is a start, but it's a mighty puzzle to make. No need to say, how will I cope? With your heart on your sleeve, it's a
French sleeping.
I can't sleep, but I'm hardly awake. A limbo dance,
Kasi ka pa.
such a fine romance. Bit by bit, I am slowly waking to see what's real, to finally heal. How will I cope without your word?
Morning, kain, kape.
How will I cope without your heartbeat? How will I cope without your love? How will I cope without your word? How will I cope without your heart?
Okay, good morning. Time check, 8 a.m. at pupunta na tayo sa river. So, ito yung way papunta sa river. Dito, pababa. So, yan, Buhay Resort. The river. Ito yung maganda rin dito. Buhay Resort, The Reflecting Grove. Ayan. So dito, at pagbaba mo, may stairs. Yan. Tapos yan, pwede ka dito mag-pray. Ayan. May cross. May upuan. Pwede ka mag-reflect, mag-muni-muni. Ayan. At ito yung papunta sa river. So, ito yung pababa papuntang river. So, may semento naman yung daan. Ayan. Tapos, gated din to. So, sinasara din nila to pag gabi. At binubuksan pag morning. Yan. So, ito, Buhay Resort River. Yun. Tapos, ito, yung stairs is bakal. Para siyang, tawag doon. Ayan, ewan ko, tawag doon. So, yung stairs, bakal. Ayan. Ayan, may platform. So, ayan yung sa taas. So, maganda dito. Ayan, tanong. Ayan. Hindi ko alam makapag-drone tayo. Kasi medyo tight. Ayan. May mga railings na pwede mo hawakan. So, safe naman pumunta dito. Sinemento nila, maganda, sinemento. So, hindi siya mahirap lakarin. Ayan. Pwede ka rin maligo dito. Ayan. So, ito na siya. Yan, ang galing. Ito siya. Pwede ka maligo dito. yan. Pwede ka maligo dyan.
Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. Where will you go? Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our marks that turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. Hey, I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known that you would go and find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. What's on your mind? Seems like you feel it starts to fade out. The diamonds in your eyes, do they wanna let go? Wanna let go? Right here and now, we cannot spin around it no more. So let me hear you out. Do you wanna let go? Wanna let go? Kill the silence. Are we meant for each other? Stand and fight it. Say if you wanna let go. Wanna let go? What's
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell button para updated kayo on our next family camping adventure. Bye-bye! Ingat!